practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. A sweet evening chat, conversation between two lovers, Emma and Liam. I'll play the role of Emma and you'll play the role of Liam. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. Let's start. Hey, Liam, how was your day?
It was good, but it just got better, now that I'm talking to you.
AWW, you always know how to make me smile.
Well, your smile is the best part of my day. So, what did you do today?
Not much, just some work and then a bit of reading. I've been thinking about our weekend plans.
Oh yeah, any ideas?
How about a movie night? We could watch that romantic comedy you keep avoiding.
Haha, you caught me. Okay, deal. But you have to promise not to make fun of me if I actually enjoy it.
Deal, but no promises on the teasing.
I can live with that, as long as I get to spend time with you.
Let's practice your English. Now, I'll read the Emma's lines and you'll read Liam's lines. Hey, Liam, how was your day? AWW, you always know how to make me smile. Not much, just some work and then a bit of reading. I've been thinking about our weekend plans. How about a movie night? We could watch that romantic comedy you keep avoiding. Deal, but no promises on the teasing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.